Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people, depending from where you are watching from. It is a good day, a bright day that the Lord has made for us, and we keep on rejoicing on this beautiful day. To my subscribers, thank you so much. I love you. To my new subscribers, thank you so much. To my viewers, thank you so much. Keep on viewing this video, share, like, and comment. I really love you guys, and I really need your support. Remember, this video is all about life changing and learning. So guys, hopefully I'm going to make it someday. Due to difficult lives that I have faced, there are so many challenges we face each and every day of our lives, and these are the things that we keep on changing, and we do share, and like what we experience every day. Actually guys, I hope we can grow together, and I'm going to see life changing, particularly me, and each and every one of us. Yeah guys, thank you so much. Today's blog video is I'm going to is all about preparation of Githeri. Githeri is a mixture of maize and beans, and yeah. So you just boil maize, and then you add beans, and then yeah, you cook them together. It might take 3 to 4 hours, depending if you want them overcooked or just normal cooked. Some people like it when it has overcooked, when it is so soft. So it depends on your on what you want, how you want your Githeri to cook. So yeah, so with me here, I bought the beans. Here are the beans. They are called Rosecoco beans. You can see these are the Rosecoco beans. Yeah, the common type of beans used in the village, and the yellow beans. Yeah, so these are the beans I'm going to use. Okay, some people they do prepare Githeri. They mix with the ground nuts, beans, ground nuts, and maize. Yeah, so it depends on what you want. And here beans, ground nuts are very expensive, so you find a half kg goes for 300, and then a half kg won't be enough. In our family, we are so big guys, so we are so big, so we go with what we can afford or what we have in the pocket here. So these are the beans. Put it there. Then I have maize. So this maize, these are the maize that I'm going to use. In Europe you call them corns, or I don't know if these are the corns or other types of corn, so I don't know. So I'm going to remove these ones from these ones. I'm going to remove them. Then I have so many of them. So these ones, you can roast them the way they are, but they're good when you cook Githeri with them. So these ones, they're not so much soft. You can see they're not that soft. So they're not that soft. So it will be good when removing it. Yeah. So this is what we are going to prepare today, and hopefully it's going to be well. And I don't know how long it will take to cook. I don't know how long it is going to take to cook, but let's start preparing it and see how it goes. First, I'm going to remove it from the maize corn. Yeah, so you see how it goes. And I will, as I remove the maize, I'm going to soak these beans because they are very dry. I'm going to soak them. So you know one thing about soaking the beans, the first water you throw it away because it contains acid. A person like me, when I take beans with beans, you know, beans contains acid, so my stomach will start bloating. So because of gas, it will be filled with the gas, and then that gas is not good to my stomach, to my health generally, because I have done 2 surgeries, guys. So I have done 2 surgeries in my stomach. That's 2 at the first operation and then the second operation. So I need to take care of my health as much as I can, because life is very important. So yeah, life is very important. So guys, as you see me here, I have undergone 2 surgeries, 2 strong surgeries, but I thank God I'm alive today and I can talk to you. I can share something with you. I know the beginning is difficult, but at the end of it, we shall have a good result. Yeah. So thank you so much. Let's start the process and see how it goes, guys. Okay. So guys, I told you the reason why I'm soaking the beans. It is because when you soak the beans and then you take the first water, you pour out, it removes the gas that comes with the acid. So when you soak and then you cook, you will not feel acid in your stomach. So that one is free from the stomach, from the gas. Yeah. So I have soaked. You can see it is soaking now. And as I told you, I will continue with the maize. Here the maize. Here the maize. This one, when you cook, when it is raw, so it cooks faster. It cooks very faster, and it is easy to chew than cooking the dry maize. Yeah, dry maize is not easy to chew, and even it's yeah, it's not easy to chew, and it doesn't cook faster as this raw maize. So cooking this one might take around 2 to 3 hours. I think 3 hours is the maximum. So yeah. So you use your hands to do it, since there's no machine for doing this. This is how it goes. And this type of food is very important in our body. These are types of food that schools do eat. They do prepare for the students, and quickly the schools that are able to afford lunch. And in boarding schools, most schools do prepare Githeri and yeah, Githeri food. So Githeri food, it contains both vitamin, carbohydrates and protein. Carbohydrates comes from maize, yeah, and the protein comes from beans. Yeah, so it is easier for it is good for our health, and it is the quickest food to cook. It doesn't require a lot of time. Once you place it on fire, it will cook. What you'll be doing is just adding firewood or checking on fire. Yeah, then checking on water, because sometimes water can finish and then your githeri burns up. So you keep on checking water and firewood, just like that, and then you are good to go. Yeah, so you can see this maize are not that bad to remove. It is removing it. They are somehow dry. Yeah, they are somehow dry, but once you cook them, they will become soft. Yeah, they will become soft. So this is how we remove it. Then we are left with this one. This one, I know them in Swahili, they are called kigunzi. So after this one, we put them outside to dry, and then we use them as firewood. So nothing is wasted here. Yeah. So this one is a bit it is not hard because it is removing milk. You can see. So guys, you can keep on commenting, watch to the end, like and share, and let me know what you think about this type of food that we normally take in the village, and not only in the village, even in towns they are used, but in towns they are cooked with the jikos. Yeah. So here I'm going to use firewood to do it. This ones, they were almost drying up. Yeah. Like this one, it has been eaten by insects, so I will escape some that have gone bad. So it is raining in our area here, and it is raining outside, but it is not much rain. So the weather today is not good. Yeah, it is raining, but raining slowly, and yeah, but it is good anyway to be here. Just make sure that you don't remove this one, the rotten ones. Or you can remove them and throw them away. So when it is cooked, when you want to add some spices in it, you can add potatoes, that's Irish potato inside. You can add carrots. Yeah, so they have a nice taste. But some people do add just salt and maybe onions, and they are good to go. So it depends on how you want to take your githeri. Yeah, remember I told you this is a mixture of beans and maize. You can do it with you can use dry maize or the maize that are not dry, like these ones. They're not dry, and then you're good to go. Yeah, and you can serve everyone in a family. Yeah, so you can see how it is removing good. This Githeri also helps in digestion because of fiber. Yeah, it helps in digestion. The maize contains outer cover, which helps in digestion. So that's what I know about this type of food. So I told you Githeri is one of the common and a healthy food that people take, and that's the one reason that people take it. It is a healthy food that contains both carbohydrates and vitamins. When you take beans means everything in our body. People are advised to take beans. So when it contains beans, that's like taking both carbohydrates, vitamins, and yeah. So that's why people like taking the berry like that. You see, it is easy to remove. They don't need any energy. And when it is difficult, you can use the knife to create the way, and then you remove your maize, and it is very easy. Yeah. So guys, we are still on removing the maize. So I'm on the last phase, the last one. So you can see what I have been able to get. So with this, when we mix maize, when we mix with beans, then it is going to fill this basin. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will bring the sufuria and then I clean the maize and I place it on firewood. Hamza, usiniletee sufuria. Sufuria tunapikianga ugali. I'm going to clean the maize. So you can see how the uncleaned what is not needed is floating. So we just take it off. We remove the water. We'll do like this to get more. So guys, the cleaning is all done. Now we will place it on fire. Yeah, like that. So the fire was ready. And I will let it to boil for a few minutes, like a half an hour. And then when it starts boiling, I will add the beans now. I will add the beans and then now continue cooking until it is ready. So we pray that we are going to have a good meal. This is our evening meal and we hope we are going to enjoy our meals. So guys, thank you so much. Keep on subscribing, share this video, comment, like, share, and kindly guys watch to the end. To support me, support my video, support me guys on this YouTube journey that I have started. Thank you guys. I love you.